Hello everyone, welcome to another brand new video. And in this video, I will show you how to change white balance in Adobe Lightroom. First, open your Adobe Lightroom app. Here, tap on All Photos. Now tap on the photo you'd like to edit, and on the bottom menu, you will see various options. Scroll through this until you see Color. Tap on that, and on the left corner, you will see white balance under black and white. Beside that, you will see a drop-down menu. Click on that, and here it will show you various options like as shot, auto, and custom. However, you can also customize your white balance however you like by using this dropper tool. Now simply choose an area and click this tick mark, and your white balance will be adjusted using that as your primary tone. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, comment below and we'll be more than happy to answer it for you. And if you want to see us more on your For You page, subscribe to our channel.